A week before they board a plane, students participated in a media day of sorts. They told reporters about the project they call Hands Across Borders that they've been working on for months. They use 3D printers to make prosthetic arms for children in Ecuador.
I'm super excited, nervous, but yeah, all in all excited to go.
I think it's amazing that just as high school students we're able to go across the world just to do community service and help impact communities outside of just our local community.
During the 11-day trip, Gabriel, the 2023 valedictorian at Davis Aerospace and Maritime High School, and Yariselle and Daniela, both rising 11th graders at Davis, will meet Samantha, who lost both of her arms in a bus accident. They made limbs for her earlier this year, but now she will receive new and improved arms along with 6 other Ecuadorian children.
While we're there, we'll also take the measurements of several other students so we can begin that process. Part of our trip will also be to train other high school students, kids there in Ecuador, how to do what our kids here in Cleveland have been doing. That way, long after we return to the United States, those kids will be able to continue that work to provide prosthetic limbs for children all across that region.
This will be a homecoming for Daniela. She is from Ecuador.
Daniela is a remarkable young lady, and again, this project was her idea.
John Dar Bradshaw, the Great Lakes Science Center Community Engagement Coordinator and Aerospace Education Lead, says being part of the first robotics team is more than just about building robots, but using their skills to give back to the community.
I am truly blessed. I am truly blessed. It's not very often that you have an opportunity to see something so extraordinary as this. To see kids grow and to develop that unique sense of empathy for others, and then see them apply what they've learned to help other people. Not only are we watching them help those others, but we're seeing them grow and be helped themselves because of what it is that they're doing.
It's crazy because we could show other teams that, just because you're doing robots doesn't mean you can't impact the world.
This is a trip of a lifetime for the students and the advisors.
It's a really cool feeling to go out there and give back somewhere so far away. But I think altogether we're excited.
My hope is that we'll be able to impact them in a way that they never been able to experience before, such as writing their names for the first time and just being able to give them new experiences.
Possibly be for this one. But between the two of you, exactly, you guys came up with that. We figured out better ways to do things.